Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the much-awaited segment of the evening, Beats and Pieces. Today's concert, Beats and Pieces, is not just a performance. It is a vibrant tapestry woven with the threads of heritage, creativity, and devotion to the classical arts. Let us begin by introducing the stars of the evening. We have with us Shreyash Ravi, Ashwin Baliga, Vinay Desai, and of course, Onubroto Chatterjee. It is my distinct honor to introduce Onubroto Chatterjee, a rhythm maestro, a torchbearer of the tradition, and a true innovator. Son and disciple of Tabla legend Pandit Anindo Chatterjee, Onubroto represents the rich legacy of the Farrukhabad and Lucknow Gharana. He is widely acclaimed as one of the foremost tabla exponents of his generation, known for his finesse, creativity, and deep-rooted command of tradition. His artistry seamlessly blends classical purity with modern sensibility, as seen in his dynamic ensembles, Laya Kari and Beats and Pieces. Onubroto has collaborated with icons such as Ustad Amjad Ali Khan, Pandit Hariprasad Chaurasia, Ustad Shahid Parvez, Shankar Mahadevan, and many others across genres and geographies. In 2016, he was awarded the prestigious Sangeet Natak Academy Yuva Puraskar for his contribution to Indian music. Let us extend a hearty round of applause as we welcome the maestro himself, Onubroto Chatterjee.
Namaskar, good evening to all of you. Like every year, I am so delighted and happy to be back in my most favorite city. It's so amazing, so beautiful to be back to this warm, beautiful, family-like audience. This evening's performance will be a little different from what you would normally hear in a classical set. I call this Beats and Pieces the T20 of classical music. And I'll of course explain to you more as I proceed into the music. But the general thing is a lot of us, me included, we don't have the time and the attention span to listen to the purest form of classical music, which could go on for 2, 3, 4 hours. So keeping that in mind, I have thought of changing the format of the presentation of our music, but keeping the tradition right. So this evening you will have 3 most talented, amazing musicians, santoor, vocal, harmonium and keyboard. And we will not unveil everything together. We'll do it as the evening progresses. And I'll start with the tabla performance with the very amazing maestro Shreyash Ravi Bhai, who will perform harmonium to start with. And then you'll see him in a different role with keyboards later. And I am so thankful to Modhula Vidhi, Pranopda, their amazing team for again giving me the opportunity, giving us the opportunity to present Beats and Pieces for all of you. Thank you.
A few words about Shreyash. Shreyash is a senior disciple of the renowned sitarist Pandit Ravi Chari, who has carved a niche for himself with thoughtful and robust harmonium solos, as well as duet performances both in India and the US. He has received prestigious accolades like the Pandit Vishnu Digambar Paluskar Award, Pandit Omkarnath Thakur Award. He has also had the honor of accompanying maestros like Pandit Anindo Chatterjee, Vidushiyati Ankalika Tikekar, and late Pandit Shubhankar Banerjee. In addition, Shreyash is a passionate teacher and composer. He currently teaches harmonium at the India International School in Chantilly, Virginia, inspiring the next generation while balancing his academic pursuits. Let's welcome Shreyash with a big round of applause. Thank you.
So, in our tradition, in our religion, we believe that Mahadev, Lord Shiva, was the first percussionist, and his instrument was Damru. And from the instrument Damru took the birth of percussion, whatever percussion it is. So there is this story that there was one time the world was in trouble. It was going to be under attack, and Lord Shiva was deep in his meditation. And all his bhakts, his chhatras, were obviously scared, and they had to get him out of his meditation, and that was very risky. So they tried to play Damru and wake him up, and finally he wakes up and plays the Damru and saves the world. So it's a depiction in a traditional composition.
Once there was this cricket match, and it was the last ball, and we needed a 6 to win. Virat Kohli was batting, and some bowler, some very fierce bowler was bowling. So the bowler is a fast bowler, charges, comes. It's an in-swinger. Batsman charges, hits. Tun, tun, tun. It's like on the like top tier. It's a traditional composition. Kran, tun, 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 tun.
You know, in Banaras, the ustads, the pandits used to make compositions in the occasions, for the occasions of like Holi and other occasions, so that compositions are remembered. So there's this Holi composition. The story is sab gulal khelne aate, abir as we call in Bengali. So you know, you like, you know, put the abir up in the sky and then you play with it. So the thought is that, and the composition kind of has you know, similarities with that. The, you know, the gulal, the rang is coming out. I don't have gulal here, so I have to do it with powder. Thank you so much. So these were some traditional, some non-traditional compositions presented in a very non-traditional way. So I literally, keeping the concept in mind, picked up certain compositions, certain ideas, and I wanted to present a customized bouquet to all of you. So this was tabla and harmonium with the lovely Shreyash Bhai. Now I want to introduce you